You wouldn't trust your car to an amateur, so why trust your bath to anyone but the best? USA Bath's professional installers deliver flawless bathrooms built to last a lifetime. Take advantage of our current offer. Upgrade to a premium color for free. Save up to $1,500 with no interest, same as cash financing. Here's the difference. We never use subcontractors. Every installer is part of the USA Bath team, trained and certified to respect your home. From start to finish, we treat your home like our own, keeping it clean, safe, and ready to enjoy. That's the USA Bath difference. The best installers, no shortcuts, no excuses. And with a lifetime warranty, you can relax, knowing your remodel is protected for years to come. Hire the best, lock in the savings. Visit usabath.com today. USA Bath. Skilled installers, stunning results, serious savings.